Hi guys, Gavin here, the transformation guru, down at Loch Ness, Scotland. I needed a break. I've had a few bad injuries recently, and also needed a bit of a mental break really, from work, a few stressful lives in my life, and I lost quite a few bunch of people the last year, so to death. So I decided I needed a break, and what an amazing place to experience that break. It's just absolutely stunning here. So let's take a look at the images behind me. So I'm on a boat. I've just hired it out by myself. I would have gone by kayak, but they allow you to go for a few more miles by going by boat. To be honest, I hurt my back this week, well last week, so it makes sense to go by boat. But yeah, the views out here are amazing. I haven't seen Loch Ness Monster yet. Rest assured it's still out there. But yeah, the views here are just absolutely amazing. Scotland's beautiful. Over here, got some mountainside, and behind me, some treeland. There we go. Look at that, 360 degrees of beauty there. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, I'm staying at a hotel just behind here. Really nice venue, and spent the weekend in Glasgow at the SFN Expo show, and then spent yesterday just walking around Edinburgh, which is really nice. And yeah, today in the Lochs, just going to drive up to Inverness and be back in a few days' time, back to work. So it's really important to take breaks, and over the years I've been very fortunate to travel the world, do a lot of things by myself. So I've been to Borneo, Thailand, Singapore, Dubai, Dominican, Egypt. I've been to loads of great places, done loads of little adventures by myself. I'm a big fan of going away with friends, but sometimes I just like to go to certain tourist destinations by myself and actually properly experience the location and take it all in and learn as well. Especially, I don't like the idea of package holidays. I don't like the idea of sitting on a beach. Okay, yeah, contradict myself because in 2 weeks' time I should be going to Ibiza, subject to me getting my return flight. Thomas Cook cancelling it last minute, unfortunately, blunder. So I might have to swim back to the UK. Oh well, so be it. But yeah, going on little adventure breaks, it's refreshing. So I spend my professional career and all my time helping others. In recent years I've been helping other trainers as much as clients. So I've been mentoring a number of people, as well as growing my different fitness businesses. And it's hard work at times. I do deal with a lot of people who have unrealistic expectations. They want everything instantly, this instant gratification mindset. I just find people are more easily offended, and unfortunately in this day and age, with the comparison mindset, a lot of people just want everything for nothing. So I find myself getting a bit more frustrated in recent years than others. And I've had a few people ask me, because I've gone back into my music more so the last year, am I looking to give up my career in the fitness industry? And the solid answer is no. All I'm doing, I'm persevering with it. I made some strict rules this last year that I'll only work with select clients. When I mean select, as much as I appreciate people are interviewing me for my services, I'm interviewing them for their level of seriousness. So I do get a lot of time wasters. I do get a lot of people with fanciful instant result mindsets. So they want the six pack in 5 weeks' time, but been abusing their bodies for the last 2 decades is just not realistic. You're not going to get into peak amazing shape within a matter of weeks if you've been abusing yourself for years. And that's another reason why I've come to Scotland. It's to not just rest my body, rest my mind. It's allowing me to reflect on my career as much as finish my 2 books that I've been working on. So I've been working on one for the last couple of years. It's been a transformation. Let's look at that view again. Look at that. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's been a transformation book to help men and women. So covering lifestyle, nutrition, exercise, the likes of a whole host of things that people have never even thought about when it comes to addressing their life. But yeah, in the last 6 weeks I've put that book on hold because of the seriousness I've seen develop in the likes of men's suicide. Somebody who used to train commit suicide at the start of this year, and then my brother's friend killed himself at the start of this year. And I've met the security team in my hometown, and they've stopped multiple suicides. People wanting to jump off the local bridge, the local car parks, and it's becoming more frequent. And the last straw was me. I was walking to my unit in Redditch, and I bounced into a guy who had just come back from a funeral, and he told me that his friend had hung himself, leaving multiple children behind. And I just thought, no, things have got to be addressed now. And for me, I've had a lot of injury the last year, so I've had to force myself to retire from doing any sort of bodybuilding show, because it's not healthy. You look amazing, but you're wearing your joints out, you're wearing your body out, and yeah, I'm riddled with a few injuries at the moment. So it was a good time to just get away, let my body rest, reflect, and get these books finished. And more importantly, check out Scotland. It's beautiful, totally underrated. I'll tell you, I'm going to do a video next about my personal experience and review of Scotland and why I love Scotland. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. More adventures and videos coming soon.